Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Terra name service. Ticker symbol is TNS. Now the ENS, Ethereum name service, is very popular. I saw one that was the Ethereum Classic name service. I forget the name of that token, but I just did a video on that one. And now we have the Terra name service. I'm sure there's others out there, but this one is exploding today. You can find this on CoinMarketCap. Ticker symbol TNS, like I said, that's what you would search on CoinMarketCap. And it is up 186.75% today, doing amazing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this video here. Terra name service. So tns.money is their official webpage. They have a Medium, they have a Twitter, and they have a Telegram listed on CoinMarketCap. They also have a full white paper. You can find their webpage, their Terra Classic contract address is on here. The price chart, contract address, all of that is available on CoinMarketCap. Lots of bullish comments if you look at the comment section. Now there's two different ways to get this token here. You can get it off MEXC or CoinEx. It's both paired with USDT, and you would just search TNS in the trade section and then just simply buy the token with your USDT. If you don't have an MEXC or CoinEx account, I actually have both of those referral codes down there in the description box. You're welcome to use either one of those or both of those. For CoinEx and MEXC Global, just check the description box down there. You could just go right through those referral codes, open an account, fund it with USDT, and then search TNS in the trade section. So that's MEXC Global and CoinEx. And that's where you could find the Terra name service, ticker symbol TNS. So, what is this all about here? It says, when transacting on Terra, users normally interact with wallet addresses, long strings of characters that are unreadable and almost impossible to remember. Similar to the way web users replace numerical IP addresses by registering domain names through the domain name service, the DNS, blockchain users can transform long and unreadable Terra addresses to a unique on-chain profile with UST domains. In this paper, we introduce a protocol, the Terra name service, which allows users to map their Terra address with the domain name they like. They would enable Terra users to craft the name of their wallet address to be short and human readable, as opposed to alien readable, I guess. Or dog readable. Terra name service is the name service based on the IBC chain. TNS maps human readable names like Terra.ust to machine readable Terra addresses. TNS acts as your on-chain profile. Besides pointing the domain name to your Terra address, users can also write a record in each domain, including the following data: NFT, email, URL, avatar, description, Twitter, keywords. Also, TNS.ust registrar is CW-NFTs compliant. Each domain name is unique. Moreover, your domain can be transferred or traded to your favorite Terra marketplace. Registration costs are set at the following prices. So 5+ characters for a name is 16 UST per year. 4 characters, 160 UST per year, and 3 characters, 640 UST per year. So that's the price if you want to get yourself a name. I mean, you don't have to get yourself a name, though. You could just invest in the token, right? And that's what you could do on CoinEx or MEXC Global. So implementation and architecture. So registry is a smart contract that contains a list of domains. The higher level domain owner can manage lower level domain data. For example, UST domain owner can manage alice.ust domain by changing alice.ust owner. Each record in the resolver address indicates which address should be used to resolve TNS data. The registry stores domain records using node hash as key, which is the same method as ENS. Now, what I was thinking why these are so popular is, first of all, people want to get themselves, they want to get their own name, right? Like, so your name is Bob, you want to get Bob UST or whatever, and you want to make that yours and nobody else's. And another thing is, if you, like, people did this with websites and Twitter accounts, social media accounts, is they try to get like a famous person's name, or they try to get like a business's name, like they want to get like KFC.ust, just in case in the future KFC tries to get a Terra address, or, you know, Ethereum, or so they would get like Joe Rogan.eth, right? And so they try to get that, and then hope in the hopes that maybe one day Joe Rogan will want that and buy it from them or something like that, right? That's what I'm thinking. So Resolver is a straightforward smart contract that stores key value data of the domains, including addresses, email, Twitter, avatar, etc. The most important responsibility of the Resolver is to translate domain names to Terra addresses so that other smart contracts and dApps will be able to use readable domain names instead of Terra addresses. Only the owner of the name of the registry can modify the record of the name. In order to retrieve a Terra address, users have 2 steps to do so. First, ask the registry of the address of the resolver that is responsible for that name. Second, ask the resolver of the Terra address. Register an NFT smart contract and top-level domain UST owner on the registry. This stores the NFT image and expiration date of each TNS. When the new TNS is registered, the registrar will update the ownership of the registered name on the registry and mint a new NFT for that name. The NFT owner has permission to update the ownership of that name on the registry, which means the NFT owner can let any address be an owner of the registry to manage data on the resolver. And then, yeah, so then it goes over frequently asked questions on the page. What is TNS for? I mean, we already kind of went over that. Well, how many transactions do I have to do to register a domain? It says each register requires users to submit 2 transactions. How much does it cost? We already went over that too. How long does it take for each domain? It should take less than a minute to register. And then it goes over a whole bunch of frequently asked questions. So you could check all this out. Their white paper is at terranameservice.gitbook.io. Pretty easy to find. You can find them on CoinMarketCap. They're just exploding. Like I said, right now they're up 160.99%. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token here? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.